Who do you think is the most beloved soldier of Sung Jinwoo in the Shadow Army? Igris, who is regarded as a masterpiece, or Iron, the battle maniac. Pero hindi sila kundi si Beru, the king who used to make people feel scared. It's a nightmare that all hunters dare not see for the second time. Hanggang sa nakilala niya si Sung Jinwoo. This is the first time he met someone who was not afraid of his own existence. Matagal na rin mula nang nakilala niya ang ganitong tao. And the guardian was extremely excited when he saw Beru's corpse. Hindi niya alam kung bakit kahit bata hindi natatakot sa kanya. And the little king seemed to like him very much. He always wanted to play with Beru. Igris thought na walang bata na hindi siya magugustuhan. An ant that can talk, walk, and fly more than a person. He didn't think any child would refuse. Pero si Beru hindi pa rin maintindihan. At this time, he returned to his resting place. He told the bearded man that the plan had changed. This statue was built by Beru to commemorate the king's 32nd birthday. Bigla niyang gustong baguhin ang content. After hearing his plan, the man was also very satisfied. Dahil sa kakulangan ng manpower, the general asked for the help of the devil. Beru told him that he would be back soon. At this moment, sa bahay ng king. Ano ang pinag-uusapan ng mga tao sa labas? They want to take revenge on Sung Jinwoo. Let their organization be disbanded. Handa silang patayin ang kanyang asawa at anak. He found that there was no security system around. Parang sinadya siyang papuntahin dito. After entering, nakita niya na iisang tao lang ang sumusunod sa kanya. He was complaining na may black hand na sumisipsip sa kanya. Beru covered his mouth and told the man not to make a sound. Kasi the little king was taking a nap and could not be woken up. Kahit gusto niya ang trust ng king at goodwill ng little king. Pero the expression of this long-lost prey was also very good. At this time, Anxi's sister had the help of the devil. Natapos agad ang project. The soldiers were all cheering for this statue. The little king was also added in. Beru was looking forward sa araw na makakapasok ang little king. This gift would be particularly meaningful. Suddenly, he heard a voice that did not belong here. Everyone was confused and looked back. The little king really came in here. Beru was at the age of school. The teacher called the car meeting to the school. Then he brought his painting. At first, he didn't know what happened. Until nakita niya ang content ng painting ng anak niya. He told the teacher na ang content ng painting ay ang kanyang friend. And the house painted by Beru was even more incomprehensible. Ito rin ang reason kaya tinawag ng teacher ang parents. He suspected na si Beru was abused since childhood. Pero nakita niya na this child was extremely cheerful. Maybe may talent siya for art. On the other side of the police station, Sung Jinwoo finally got a promotion. And he was forced to get a promotion. Kasi he had used too many excuses before. People around him thought that he was strange and didn't have greed. Pero in fact, matagal nang mayaman si Sung Jinwoo. When he came home, nakita niya ang work ng anak niya. He thought it was very talented. The car meeting made him laugh. Pero hindi pa rin niya mapigil ang sabihin na he thought of some happy things. At this time, he told Sung Jinwoo na the children at school were afraid of guards. As soon as he got close, bigla nagbabago ang mga mukha nila. Pero never naman siyang nanakit ng kahit sino. He thought dapat it's the child's pure feeling of the power of the king. Hindi siya naglalakas loob lumapit kasi nararamdaman niya ang shadow. Because of this power, he didn't become a disaster. If the shadow monarch's power became stronger and stronger, and na-inherit niya ito without his guardian's knowledge, it would lead to a life that could not be lived by ordinary people. Now the guardian must be able to completely control the suppression of this power. Before that, he must seal the power and the memory of the shadow soldier. At this time, he gave the painting of the guardian to Belian. Although this painting was not as good as the previous one, Belian was particularly moved. He wanted to say goodbye to the little king. At this time, the guardian was still talking about the big ant in his sleep. Pero now he had to leave him. All the shadow soldiers were reluctant to leave the little king. Para makapamuhay ng normal, kailangan niya itong gawin. The little king was very happy to be with the shadows. Pero that didn't mean it was over. The guardian had grown up. Now he was no longer the little kid who didn't understand anything.